this video, I want to share with you 3 recipes that you can do at home that are easy, kids-approved salads that you can do on a weeknight. The rainbow salad. All you need is kale, tomatoes, red peppers, yellow peppers, carrots, cucumbers, red onion, and tuna. Add salad dressing and that's it. My kids love this salad. Number 2, the spaghetti salad. Start by spiralizing 1 courgette, or zucchini as you would call it, then add it to the bowl and add spinach, cheese, ham or any type of meat, tomatoes, cucumbers, olives and carrots. Do you like it?
I really like it.
Super beans salad. Mixed leaf, red beans, chickpeas, olives of any type, tomatoes, cucumbers, and any type of cheese. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and please let me know in the comments below what other salad recipes your kids enjoy, and thanks so much for watching.